You good, buddy?
Yeah.
You weren't crying? Oh. Your eyes are all red. Or they were. I guess.
I'm tired.
Okay. Don't lose that chapstick now.
This is mine.
I know. I'm saying
Oh, I
don't
thought you
lose it.
said don't use it.
No.
I think you got one in your backpack too. That was in the truck. Okay. Or did you, I don't know, or did you take that one?
I
I
don't
took
know.
that one.
Oh, okay.
I have him go with one pretty much every time.
Yeah, but he left one in the truck. I brought it in.
I'll find some more songs, okay?
Okay.
Maybe ones that don't sound too bad at first. Because you didn't like that, did you? Alright. Because of his voice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
He was just saying, he opened TikTok and he saw a video of 6'7". That's what he was starting. I had a couple more I didn't put on my phone yet, because I thought you'd like that one. But there's a couple other ones I had. I'm very talkative. Okay? You sure? Right. Did you have fun? Okay, good. I figured you'd like that when she asked if you could stay later.
Who?
Parker's mom.
Oh.
Okay, you were there quite a while.
Hey, let's keep that quiet. You know.
What about Ross? Why she's talking to me and you about you're not taking me across, but she doesn't take the other person's phone.
I don't know, baby. But I don't take you because you don't want to do it. Okay? I want you to be happy and do what you enjoy. That's why you're not
If I
forced.
to go, we'd take.
That's why you're not forced to go. Or if it was like if it was a thing, if it was still a thing, then maybe it would be different. I don't know. I'm saying lacrosse, but it's not even a thing at all. So I don't know why it's even being brought up. It's pointless.
They only got one more week anyway, Ron said. Next week's the last Saturday.
Last Saturday, what?
Lacrosse.
Mm-hmm.
For the season or whatever.
For him, and where you were going to practice.
Get it, buddy?
We seen Ron last week.
Are you doing lacrosse for school? Oh.
But
Okay.
I'm sure he is.
I'm not.
Well, I thought not since you paid for it.
No, she was asking me to pay for it.
I don't know. when she drives.
I don't understand why 11 can't be 1 1.
You still stuck on that?
Well,
It's a mystery to me. It's a mystery to me, buddy.
Okay, buddy, give me a hug.
Hey, I got my hug, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you.
Oh no.
Okay. Hey, I love you, buddy. Be good. Have fun.
Love you, buddy.
Love you
Good
too.
week in school.
Good.
Be good, dude.
Yeah. You ever ask what happened to her car?
No, she probably blew it up. She probably blew that one up too.
Yeah.
Or she gave it to the fucking bum.
Yeah.
It's hard saying.
I mean, it don't matter.
No, but it's just crazy to me. Like her grandma lets her fucking